In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add sections in Slack. If your Slack sidebar is starting to feel crowded, creating sections is a simple way to stay organized. Sections let you group related channels and conversations together, which makes it much easier to find what you need without scrolling through a long list every time. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to create a new section and start adding conversations to it. To begin, look over to the Slack sidebar and click the gear icon. This is where you'll find options for organizing your sidebar and managing how your conversations are grouped. If you don't usually adjust your sidebar settings, this is a useful area to become familiar with because it gives you more control over your workspace layout. Once that menu opens, click on Bulk Manage Conversations. This option helps you organize multiple conversations more efficiently, and it's the path Slack provides when you want to sort items into sections. It's especially helpful if you're trying to clean up a busy workspace or separate channels by project, team, or priority. Next, click on New Section. This starts the process of creating a custom section in your sidebar. Think of a section as a folder-like organizer for your Slack conversations. It doesn't change the channels themselves, but it does change how they're displayed for you, which can make your daily workflow much smoother. After that, type the section name. Choose a name that clearly reflects the purpose of the section so it's easy to recognize later. For example, you might use names based on departments, active projects, or categories of work. Keeping the name short and descriptive usually works best, especially if you want your sidebar to stay clean and readable. Once you've entered the name, click on Create and Add Channels. This confirms the new section and moves you directly into the next part of the setup, where you can begin choosing which conversations belong there. It's a convenient option because you can build the section and start organizing it right away. From there, click on Add Conversations. This lets you place channels or other conversations into the section you just created. After adding them, your sidebar will be more structured, and the conversations you use most often can be grouped in a way that makes sense for your work. And that's it. That's how to add sections in Slack. Once you start using sections, it becomes much easier to keep your workspace organized and reduce clutter in the sidebar. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.